You do not have to be good at social media and marketing to do this course. That was me when I would like say a decade into my career when social media really took off. Everything became about social media. I got to do this and I got to do this and I got to do this. And I started to try to do what everyone else was doing. I tried to, I got to do it like this because this is what's popular. Popularity and sustainability are two different things. And when I realized what makes me special, what makes me unique is not social media. It's the relationships I have with my clients, how I get referrals, how I get leads, when people walk through the doors. How is it that I can demonstrate and showcase the value of what I do and how to get them results? That's what really began to not only separate me as a professional, that's what really created sustainability for me. Even if you're not good at social media, or even if you don't want to use social media that often, in the program, there are tools and strategies and steps that you can use social media if you would like, but if you don't have to. And when you choose or decide to use social media, here are guidelines and programs that you create. So when you do put stuff out in social media, it resonates with you as a trainer, as a coach, so you don't lose who you are, what you do, and your own integrity in the process of trying to grow your business or trying to grow your following. You don't lose yourself in that process.